New. Available September 15, 2023, quality work from a family tradition of quality construction. Check out video link. 3-bed 2.5 bath. Ringgold Estates. Electric fireplace, covered back deck for weekend cookouts, covered front porch, pantry and extra closets, laundry room. Bonus room for Sunday get-togethers. A must-see. Seller to provide $7,000 in concessions towards buyer buy-down or closing costs. Actual address is 739 Banister TAX ID 030EJ01900 00003030.